All right, I'm one of those guys that don't read instructions. I got this Insta360 X3 the other day, and I don't know where to put the stupid micro SD card. There's instructions, but hey, I'm gonna do it the hard way. So quick unboxing here. What it comes with is a USB A to C cable to charge it, little wipe cloth, and a little foam case sleeve protector dealy. That's all you get. So you have to supply your own SD card, which is fine because there's going to be different sizes that you need. And it has a battery. The battery is already installed right there, and I'm actually charging it. So if you look around, that's where the power cord is, or power cord goes, charge. And on those sides, you have power buttons, and that's a microphone plug. You don't want to mess with that. So there's no slot that you can see apparently for the micro SD. Well, there's an aha moment. Squeeze those two spots to get the battery out. And look and behold, it goes right there. How genius. Anyhow, just slip it in there, label up, you can see there, pushes it in until it's nice and flush, then you're good to go. You'll want to go in the menu though and format the card. And that's it. And you can see there the battery's pointing upward. Pop that in, snap, there go figure. So that's my Insta360 X3. Still learning from it. Pretty cool. Peace out.